Yo, what's up guys, Alpyne here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a part 2 to my how to build Trickshot maps video, and this is going to be going a little more in depth about some certain things that you could do for your maps. If you'd like to see part 1, it'll be linked in the description, and there should also be a time card right now. And before we get into the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and subscribing is greatly appreciated because it is free and it helps grow my channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to build classes like low gravity and flying. So what you're going to need to do is put down a class designer, a class selector, and a button like this. And you could use other ways to get it, but I'm just going to use a button for this demonstration. So first I'm going to show you how to get low gravity. What you're going to do is just, you don't have to nickname it, but I will just so it's easier to tell. Then you need to turn the class identifier to 1 and go down to gravity and turn it on to low and then click OK. Go over to the class selector, make the class selector on 1, make the time to switch instant, and scroll down and make the change player to class from when receiving from whatever you're going to make the button channel, and then make the channel button interacted the same as that. And now I'm just going to do it again, but instead with flying. And this is done the same way, except you just turn on flying instead of low gravity, and you could go through all these settings and do different ones like instant reload, lower gravity, and super speed. So now to show you how it works, as you can see here, when I press the button I can fly, and when I press this button I have low gravity. And now I'm going to show you a couple cool shots that you can do for your maps. For this first shot I'm going to show you, you just need a launch pad and 2 rifts like this. And what you're going to need to do is fly up a bit and place 1 rift, and then right above it place another one like this. Then on the top rift you're going to need to make it so that the teleporter target group is set to none, and then turn the visual sound effects, visual effects, and the teleporter visibility off. And then on the bottom one do the same with the visibility, sound effects, and visual effects, and keep the teleporter target group and group the same as the other one. And now when you jump into the launch pad, it will do this effect where it cancels the launch pad, but you still keep the momentum, which is pretty cool. Now I'm going to show you another pretty cool shot, and for this one all you need is bouncers and a ball spawner. And what you're going to do for this one is you're going to place the bouncers in a square around the ball like this, and then make sure in the settings of the game you turn off building damage or the ball will go through the walls. And now what you're going to need to do is customize the ball spawner and put the player knockback on maximum and put the ball size 1 up from what it's at. And once you do that, it'll look like this, and when you jump on the ball you'll go flying like this, which is one of my favorite shots that you could currently go for in creative. And now I'm going to show you the last setup shot I have to show you for this video. And for the last setup shot I'm just going to show you how to get a rocket ride bot. So first what you're going to need to do is place a sentry down like this, then go in to the settings of it, turn the weapon type to rocket launcher, health to 1, respawn time to 2, and then range should be around 20 to 30 depending on how far you want to be away. Accuracy dead shot, and the target style to proximity so that it shoots at you in its range and not just where it's looking. And then you can place a pyramid like this as far away as you want. And then I'm just going to start the game to show you this. And I set the pyramid a little too far back, but as you can see here, when I sit right here, the guy shoots the rockets at me, and you can jump on them just like a normal rocket ride. And the last thing I have to show you for this video is how to get matchmaking, and you can only get matchmaking if you do have a creator code, unfortunately, and this is just to get slow-mo and make it so that you can play your maps with other people online. So what you're going to need to do is go into settings and turn the map privacy onto public or private depending on which way you want it to be. And then you need to turn the matchmaking type to flexible so that other people can join the map, and then go into tools and publish the island. And now when you put the map in a matchmaking portal or just in the island code section on the home screen, you can queue right into the map with other players who are playing it and get slow-mo as well. So that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed and would like to see me make another one of these videos in the future explaining some more detailed stuff about Trickshot maps, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.